The Hamburg Port Authority looks after 7 flood barriers, 3 sluice locks and 3 regular locks, as well as 11 movable bridges in the Port of Hamburg. What's special is that many are operated remotely. We visit one of the 2 control centres operated by the HPA.
Wir sind hier in der Leitzentrale Kattwick.
We're here in the Kattwick control centre. We operate all 3 locks from here. These are the Reierstieg lock, the Ellerholz lock and the Rugenberger lock. Our employees are on site 24/7, all year round, including Christmas, New Year's Eve, all of it.
Das volle Programm.
Since 2022, the flood barriers have also been operated from here. But remote operation is a relatively new concept. There was a time when every lock had to be operated by employees on site. Today, 2 HP employees control the barriers and locks from the Kattwick Control Centre.
Wir befinden uns direkt im Videobereich.
We're now in the video monitored zone at the Rugenberger lock. It separates the Waltershofer harbour from the Kohlbrand, the Zuiderelbe. My colleagues at the Kattwick Control Centre will now see us via the cameras and open the gates so that we can go through the lock. The locks are mainly used by commercial shipping. That means mainly tugs and small ferries, but privately operated boats also use them.
Wir fahren jetzt gerade durch den Reierstieg.
We're now passing through the Reierstieg and will soon be in sight of the Reierstieg Bascule Bridge. It's the first bridge that we want to operate completely remotely from a remote operating location, unlike the Reiter or Kattwick bridges, where the control centres are right next to them. The HPA is currently setting up the remote operating technology. And then the Reierstieg Bascule Bridge will also be operated remotely. It's a major step for the HPA to be able to operate bridges from a central location as well. We continue on to the Ernst August lock. It's one of the many Hamburg locks that since 2020 has had a special feature.
Wenn man diese Anlage befahren möchte.
If you want to enter this lock, you can pay your fee via a cashless payment system. And we'll have more on that in our Port is What We Do episode, Cashless Logs.
Wir befinden uns hier im Beutekanal.
We're now in the Port Canal. The lock gate is opening behind me. The HPA operates 7 flood barriers in the Port of Hamburg. 3 of those are already remote controlled. They protect lower lying areas of the port from storm surges. The barriers are closed about 20 times a year.
Port is what we do.